Everyone should be careful because high levels of codeine may cause respiratory problems. That's why the Food and Drug Administration has announced a ban on children under 12 and nursing women using medication that contain this ingredient.
Most Taiwanese people self-medicate when they catch a cold, but some end up hurting themselves. Cough syrups that contain codeine are good cough suppressants, but may cause respiratory issues. The Food and Drug Administration has therefore banned nursing women and children under 12 from taking medications containing codeine. The FDA says respiratory issues and other problems can arise from the way codeine is metabolized. Certain body types immediately metabolize codeine into morphine, causing drowsiness, difficulty breathing, and other side effects. Women who are nursing, seniors over 65, and those with renal issues should avoid codeine.
咳嗽久了变成肺炎就是什么？就是说你痰在里面不让它这个有益的咳嗽让痰出来的话，其实会造成就是说一些后发戏剧性的感染。他们2岁以下的话，你可能脑部发育没有很好，严重的话呢，你可能会抑制呼吸。
The FDA says the manufacturers of close to 200 cough syrups available on the market have to revise their package inserts. Pharmacists should also proactively inform their customers of the dangers of codeine. People that self-medicate are not eligible for drug relief if something happens.